Here we learn about variables in the functions. Okay. Here one function definition is given. This function definition is like cheese and crackers. It is taking the two arguments. One is cheese count and box of crackers. So inside this we are just printing what are these. Okay, this is general formatting way of cheese count and boxes of crackers are mentioned here. So this function is being called several times in this piece of code. So first time it is doing the cheese and crackers with directly passing by value. Then two variables are defined, amount of cheese and amount of crackers 10 and 50. So these variables are passed to the same function. Later the same function is called with the arithmetic expression of 10 plus 20 and 5 plus 6 here. The same function again called with the expression, but expression contains one variable plus the value. So you can see the output here. We have you have 20 cheeses, you have 30 box of crackers, and the rest of the prints are coming as per the given function. Like that, wherever we are using the either function by whenever we are passing by value or passing by argument or passing through expression, it's all being accepted here. You can cross check this program.